This is a step by step how to send 10,000 people message or thousands of people message every day using our sender. This depends on package you choose or package you purchase. Right here, you can see that I have 50k to send message, 50k credit. This 50k credit means that I have to send 50,000 people message monthly. Not bad. You can even purchase one limited or 150,000, depends on your own plan you are into. So let's start by extracting email, verifying email and sending. Let me take you to my email verification. Here, I'm already verifying 400 email. You can see we already get 90 valid email and 2 invalid email. But what about if you want to extract email? Because when you purchase our email sender, let me take you to our plan to break this in down for you. When I click purchase credit, we have two price plan here. 20,000 naira. This is a naira plan. You can pay with any currency, but it's a naira. 20,000 plan, you only get email sender, 1k daily subscription. This is 1k daily limit. This 20,000 naira can send you only 1,000 people message every day for this 20,000 naira. If you're from 80,000 naira, this is it here. You can send up to 150,000 people message every month. And the email extractor included here, and email verification, and also phone number extractor included in this service. So we are getting the full package for the 80k. And the daily limit of 80k here, you are see every day you can send up to 5,000 people message. You can use five. You can spend 5,000 credits every day. That is 5,000 message every day. So let's go ahead to one of our extractor. This is the extractor that comes together with the email sender. So this extractor, you can choose to extract email on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Let's say I want to go for LinkedIn right now on this video. You can target your country, Australia. You can include any domain that you want to extract email here, Outlook, and more. Keyword is where I tell system, this is kind of clients I want to work with. This is people I'm searching for online. If you are searching for individual, you can write name. My name is Solomon, and it's going to extract your email based on this name. If you want CEOs, you can write CEO. If you want manager, you can write manager. Anything you want, you can type it there, and it's going to extract your email based on your keyword. Though this has limit because of browsing, but you can have it for the day. And here you can see the system already started extracting us email addresses here. As you can see, the email have automatically extracted. And when this email done extracting, we need to push it to verification. Before you use our sender, make sure you verify your email addresses. That is important. Let me take you back to email verification because we are verifying email before. So to see if our email have finished verifying. No, you see here we have already get 2,000, almost 300 email, our valid email that we are going to send message, people that we are going to send message, while our extractor also keep extracting. To make it even more better for you to know how this service work and important it is, we also get access to phone number extractor. And this is the phone number extractor here. This extractor here extract only phone number, and it can also extract only email addresses. Let me show you how that work. First of all, I'm going to click dashboard, click new search, and you can see this is a default keyword. I can delete it. Let's say you want to search for people in United States. I can do managers in the USA, USA, and I'm just going to click add. I can even do plus one if I want to do. I can just do plus one CEO. This is United States also. Directory is United States because United States use plus one. So next thing you need to do here is click target's website. I want to check orders. You can load as much as you can. You can even go AliExpress here, Amazon. But I want to go by LinkedIn. I love to work LinkedIn. It's for my own reason. You can work with any all this website here. After you load the social media platforms you want to work with, just click setting. This settings show you, do you want to start email address or do you want to start phone number? Because the other ones have a certain email, I can choose to start phone number on this. But let me choose to start phone number because the other one is already a starting email. So what I'm going to do, just click start search. And this system is going to dive in and start search. Let's go back to the other extract of this one. We need to export this file. This file, we need to export it to verification. To do that, right click on your mouse and you see CSV file, export. This CSV file is going to export on your computer. You can name it anything. This is a, let's say, demo extractor. I can just write anything and save it. So all these email addresses, we need to verify them. To do that, go back to our email verification and you can see the 400 I'm verifying have finished. Just click refresh. Once it's complete, click refresh to get the accuracy data. I have 395 and 11 invalid email. So this invalid email is not is bad for you to send a message. So right now I have to export this email to sender. But before then, let's import the one we just export from email extractor direct. Let's export these email addresses. Let's import these email addresses on verification. Go back to the verification and click choose file. Now, remember, I will choose that as a demo extractor. I can go click download, or I can go to home so that I can see my demo extractor. This is the demo extractor. I save it and I name it demo extractor. I can just open it to import. So here you can see the email addresses on this is 100. So I got to refresh the page to start verifying. So click verify. So this system is going to start verifying these email addresses. As you can see, it's already started collecting valid email. I love LinkedIn so much because LinkedIn is almost accurate, 95% valid email always. Now I have to export this 400, this 395 email addresses, people that want to send message. I want to export this to my sender. Click download and select only deliverable email. Download it. You can see the file automatically download on my PC. What I need to do, go back to my sender. We need to upload this email we just verified. Hello, this video will teach you how to use our email sender SMTP, new way to use it. Before, our users abuse our email sender and that have caused a lot of crash. So all your business now is when you log into your dashboard, just click message, choose to send email. Now go all the way to import, click import, and now import your notepad or a CSV file that you save your email list on. Choose SMTP, compose your message, add your reply to, and send. Now let me show you how to categorize your email on a notepad or on a CSV file before you even import it to make sure your email deliver. Open your notepad where you store your email addresses. Make sure all your email addresses is on new line. On top, just type contacts. Make sure it's only contacts on the top. Import it again on our sender and scroll all the way to down. Type your message, add your reply to, and send. Next step is to check whether your message delivered or if you set your email list correct on your notepad. Go to message history. Here you can see email delivered, pending, and processing. If your email is pending, I'm going to tell you here too. You see all my two is email, that is two. People I send message, their email is going to appear on the list. If you check this and the email is not in the list, that shows that your email list is not correct and did not add contact on the top of your email list on your notepad before you import it. Make sure this is correct. And if when you see pending and there's no email on the list, please delete it so that you will not block our email sender. Secondly, when your email deliver, it goes straight to our server because our server is going to review your email to know if you are sending message to invalid email addresses. And if you send a message to invalid email addresses, this can harm your account by not getting a response or even deactivate your account or suspend your account. So make sure you verify your email addresses. We offer you email verification and make sure you use that. If you're sending email to old email addresses and you're not getting result or your message go to spam, we have nothing to do with that. Verify your email to make sure you're sending message to live email addresses. When you send your message and you say deliver, do not just expect your message to deliver to inbox immediately because this is going to process on our server, then send manually one by one. on your behalf. So don't be afraid when your message delay to deliver. They're all going to deliver. For all my users that think that we are not responding them on WhatsApp, we have thousands of messages on WhatsApp waiting for their request to be solved, to their problem to be solved. So make sure you choose to learn instead of just to use. What I mean by this is, well, because we have all the videos that will help you how to use our software without needing our help. But whenever it is your time for customer support, we'll give you your quality time. It can be calling your phone, going live with you, coming your computer to fix something for you.